Welcome to Scuti Career Cafe. I trust you enjoyed our video series on IT careers. In other episodes, we explain what it takes to become a web developer. We know that web design can be both extreme fun and extremely frustrating. And to make it fun, you need to have the right tools. Though in web design, everything can be built from scratch, starting with wireframes, prototypes, and coding. There are tools which can really enable you to do a day's worth of work in just an hour. Knowing the tools is the key to improve your efficiency. Hence, working with the best web design software available is necessary to be a smart web developer. Now let me share some of those tools that are great help in web designing. Let's start with design and mockup softwares. As we know, once the web or mobile app ideas are conceptualized and the workflows decided, the next immediate thing we try doing is to make mockups. They give the first glimpse of how a website might look. So these softwares help in making wireframes, mockups, color selection, and graphic designing. Important design softwares are wireframing and mockup tools, and other is color selection tools. So let's have a look for wireframing and mockup tools first. These are Balsamiq, Adobe Photoshop, GIMP, Sketch, Marvel, and then there is color selection tools, which are Color Wheel and Pictaculous. Now let's move to web coding softwares. They provide you with a nice environment to work on your website, which combines a code editor along with a live view. The great thing about such softwares is that they let you build a complete website from scratch and have it exported to actual working website files. Under this category, some are only code editors, while some offer end-to-end help. Now let's have a look at code editors. We have Dreamweaver, WAMP, Sublime Text 2. And when it comes to web design helpers, we have Bootstrap, Canva, SASS. Now I will tell you some DIY tools. These tools help you make websites in a couple of days once you have the blueprint in mind. They let you make the website by simply doing drag and drop of the essential element into their respective places. These are highly useful for building small static websites. Some of the most popular DIY: WordPress, Yola, Wix, Jimdo. I trust this episode will be highly helpful for the beginners in web developer. I wish you all the best for your web designing career, and I'll keep making some interesting videos on IT careers. So please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more. Also remember to like, share, and comment.
Visit the link shown here to find the best trainers and training institutes for this course in your city.